Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rod with Bear River Sports Cards, and I am going to break box number 5 for you guys of the Fleer Superman Brilliance, or I should say Fleer Brilliance of Superman. The official name, I guess, is Discover the World of Metropolis. So again, Fleer Brilliance. We got Superman here. Doesn't really say anything else on this, to be honest with you, so... but again, we got Fleer Brilliance, and Fleer is actually owned by Upper Deck, just so you know. That's why you see the Upper Deck kind of little hologram and trademark symbol there for Upper Deck. So this is a sealed box. I bought 2 cases of these. This is box number 5. So let's get going on this and see what we find. The last 4 boxes, we have pulled some pretty cool cards. I wouldn't say that I've got anything that is... I don't know, a super banger so far, but we're going to keep going through these things over the next course of probably a few months, and yeah, we'll be looking for the kryptonites and all those chase cards on this box. All right, let me see something here while I'm talking to you guys. Very hard to see on this. So the last son of Krypton. Truth, Justice, and a Better Tomorrow. The Black Parallel, powered by the sun. Kryptonian Green Parallel. Kryptonian Red. Superman Revenge Squad, we've got those. Green Parallel. World of Metropolis, Pulsar. Kryptonian Red, Kryptonian Green. So powered by the sun, Black Parallel, Truth, Justice, and a Better Tomorrow, and the Last Son of Krypton. Those are the ones that we're looking for. All right, guys, let's get going on this. It is, I don't know if I said this earlier, it was Saturday, July 11th, 2026. Again, this is the 5th box of this product that I am pulling. Get these all out of the box here, make a gigantic mess. Empty, always empty your boxes. Let's get these things organized. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. Hope you have a good tomorrow, Sunday. I like Sundays, but I don't. It just means that you got 1 day left until that work week starts again. I get what they call the Sunday blues sometimes. I don't know if anybody ever experiences that. If I was president, we would have a 3-day weekend by executive order. All right, let's get going on these guys. Man, I want to pull one of those big chase cards. That would just be super cool to show you guys on the YouTube channel here. All right, so we're going to have base, we're going to have blues, and then the classic covers, and there's just a lot of lower end cards. So I'll keep you posted what we find here. So we got a base on Livewire. I'm going to go through these fairly quickly. Hey, I've got a Star Wars card sitting right there. Where do you come from? I was from a break earlier on Topps Black Chrome. Okay, so we've got Toyman on purple. So we got to put the purple cards right there. And we got classic cover, 2001. So that is the, let's use the cards I keep, starting with the purple. You get so many bases, I kind of run out of, what to do with them. So I've got like 2 sets already of the bases. I'm probably just going to start giving these things away. Lori Lamaris. I don't think I've pulled that card before. I am starting to see some different cards. Bloodsport. That's a cool card. That Lori Lamaris, I don't remember seeing that card whatsoever. Oh, Once Upon a Time a Mermaid. Okay. And we got Bloodsport. It's a pretty cool card. Next pack. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. There's lots that I've done in the last 3 months. I've only been up and running for 3 months, and I think I'm on 90 videos in 3 months. If you get a chance, feel free to check out the rest of the videos. I've got categories for basketball, baseball, Star Wars, and Marvel. And of course, this is DC. Upper Deck, Fleer. Saturn Girl, base. Superman, Kong Keenan, base. Eve Teschmacher, that's a purple. I pulled quite a bit of her, and then we got the classic 1938, the birth date of Superman. And then we got Superboy on the base. So far, just some classic covers and some purples. One end is usually easier than the other. These are, as I mentioned in the other videos, these are some of the harder cards I think I've ever tried to rip before these packs. So we've got Bizarro. I would love to have Bizarro on a chase card. That is a base. Supergirl, purple. That's a pretty card. Base, or excuse me, purple, sorry. And then we have got, oh, we got Illuminator, so that's pretty cool. So we got Superman Revenge Squad, Cyborg Superman. Again, that is the Cyborg Superman on the Revenge Squad. So we've gone up in value just a little bit. And then we have Illuminators. So that is a pretty cool card, and that is one of the chase cards. So Metallo, in fact, I really like that card, you guys. That's a cool card. It is not numbered. Metallo. And that is not textured. Like there are a couple that are actually textured. So yeah, that's cool. Illuminators. Metallo. I'm not quite sure what the odds is on this, but that is definitely one of the chase cards. Highfather, base. Nothing like ripping cards on a Saturday night. Okay, we've got Darkseid, base. We have Dr. Farm and Mr. Graft. That's a purple. Kind of a strange concept there. And we got something coming up. We got Perry White, the boss of Lois Lane, I believe, yeah. Mr. McZiptic. Oh, what do we got here? Okay, Metallo. This is a great card, you guys. This is a great card. This is a blue X-ray. It is low numbered. It is 24 out of 999. So that's a pretty sweet hit. 24 out of 999. The card itself looks great. Happy with this box so far. That's a pretty wicked looking card. These things pop really nice. All right, cool. Nice pull. And then again, this is Mr. McZiptic. Mr. McZiptic is how I say it. Not an easy name to pronounce. All right, Superman Revenge Squad. Those two cards are really cool. We have Silver Banshee on the base. Solaris on the purple. Okay, and we've got Superwoman on the base. And Toyman on the Superman Revenge Squad, but that is covering Bibokowski. Bibokowski. All right, that is 792 out of 1938. There's that all-important 1938 year. So there it is. And again, this is the Red Heat Vision. So all in all, I think this box has been pretty good so far for a mega box. Toyman, Superman Revenge Squad. All right, what do we got? Okay, right here. So we've got a few packs left still. You'll notice on my videos that I shoot raw and unedited. I'm breaking and ripping packs just like you were sitting here. So you will hear mispronunciations. I'll drop the cards. I knock stuff over. The cards don't always rip right. So I want this channel to be like we're hanging out together. Just keeping it real. So we got purple on the Strange Visitor. So we got Visitor or Visitor, however you want to say it. And then the classic cover, that is 1985. And we have Toyman and Brainiac 5. These are both going to be bases. Try to hold these cards up long enough to where if you want to look at them again or check them out, just freeze it, freeze the frame. If I hold them up too long, these breaks will take too long. We've got Power Girl on the base. Titano on the purple. And then that takes us down to classic covers, 1939. And there's not going to be nothing else. Let's see, where is the classic covers? Right there. And then two bases. I wish these were, the Doomsday is really super cool. I wish they were something besides bases. That's a cool card. Seeing cards now that I have not seen in the other boxes, so that's a really good sign. Again, we want one of those big case cards. I got two cases, so I should have two case hits eventually. Dan Turpin, base. And we've got Bloodsport on a purple. And let's pull off the back. Lightning Lad. And then Doomsday is on the Super Revenge Squad, but that is covering Guardian. It's a pretty decent card. Again, that is the Red Heat Vision. And that card is 103 out of 1938. Doomsday, that's a pretty sweet card for a Doomsday card. Or Revenge Squad, I should say. It's pretty sweet Doomsday. And we've got Ursa as a base. And we have Guardian. I can kind of see this pack I've ripped. I don't see anything coming up. Dan Turpin, purple. And we have classic covers, 1942. Brainiac 13 on the base. Six packs left. Looking for a banger. We've got Steve Lombard. That cracks me up, that card. We've got Imperiex. Weird character. Yeah, so that's a purple. Strange looking card to me. Classic covers. Maxwell Lord on the base. And classic covers is covering, this is a cool card, Maxima. I love that card. That's a decent looking card. All right, cool, right on. So we got a green kryptonite. We pulled a green kryptonite on the last mega box. So this is considered a pretty decent hit. The card looks in great shape too. As near as I could, wait a minute. Well, we got a little thing going on up here in the corner. Can't tell what that is actually. Maybe it's just something that's stuck to it. I can't tell exactly what's going on with that corner. Anyway, it's a really cool card, you guys. Check that out. Maxima. Earth is a lowly place for an all-American princess. Huh. That's not all-American. Almer-Ration princess? I can't even pronounce that. But Maxima has an appreciation for natural beauty. And Superman is no exception. Green kryptonite. So that's the most important thing. It is a 211 out of 499. So a little bit lower numbered. And the green kryptonite really pops. They're super cool cards. Cool. Classic covers on that was 1985. We have Starchild and Red Sun on the base. We have Gangbuster on the base. Mercy Graves on the purple. Most likely we are not going to get a bigger hit than this right here. I might be wrong. And classic cover 2004, Jay Nakamura on the base. We've got 3 packs left to get something. As far as a big chase card, you guys, on box 5. General Zod on the base. Brainiac Queen on the base, or excuse me, purple. And the classic covers, we have 1986. And Superboy and Superman. Too bad that Superman is not a kryptonite. That is the best, that's one of the best pulls you can get, that character right there. Superboy and Superman bases, too bad they're bases. And we'll put the Superman over here because all Superman cards sell. Kind of like Spider-Man with Marvel. Titano, again, on the base. Lori Lamaris on the purple. Yep, and this is not, there's nothing in this. So we've got Man of Steel, 1986. We've got Conduit and Manchester Black. 2 base cards. All right, guys, 1 pack left. That last pack magic, which I really don't buy into, I believe. Let's just ask for some good luck on the last rip. All right, so I don't see it. Bibbo Bibikowski, that guy. And we got Livewire purple. Nope, that's it, guys. So I can tell we got General Zod on the Revenge Squad, and we've got Parademons and Jim Olsen. And I have never pulled a Jimmy Olsen card, so that's a good sign. I mean, they're changing. That corner's messed up. Jimmy Olsen, Parademons. Excuse me, Jimmy Olsen and Parademons. Last 2 cards of the break. Both base cards. Guys, thanks for joining me. This is video number 5 of the Fleer Superman 2025. I'm going to take a break from the boxes for a little while. I've done 5 videos in the last couple days, so I'll probably start up again on these in I don't know, probably 2 weeks or so. I'll be doing some other stuff, basketball, baseball, and doing a little bit of Star Wars and Upper Deck Marvel. So thanks for joining me. This is super fun. I'm having a blast. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Again, if you get a chance, I would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. If not, thanks anyway for stopping by and checking out the video. It all helps. Have a great rest of the weekend.